Greetings and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, from beginner to billionaire, how to make money online with Google Maps. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to turn Google Maps into your personal goldmine. And remember, check the links in the description below for all the resources we mention. Let's get started. Alright, so, you might be wondering, Google Maps? Really? How can I make money with that? Well, my friend, buckle up because we're about to explore several strategies that can take you from a beginner to, who knows, maybe even a billionaire. And no, you don't need any fancy degrees or technical skills. Just a bit of creativity and some hustle. First up, we have local business reviews. Did you know businesses crave reviews like we crave our morning coffee? That's right. By writing detailed, honest reviews for local businesses on Google Maps, you can start making money. Here's the trick: some companies pay for good reviews. Now, we're not talking about fake reviews, we're talking about genuine, detailed experiences. Websites like Google Local Guides reward you with points and perks, and sometimes local businesses might even offer you a little something in return for a well-written review. Next on our list is photography. If you've got a decent camera or even a smartphone with a good camera, you can take high-quality photos of local landmarks, restaurants, or scenic spots. Upload these to Google Maps. Quality photos can attract more views to your contributions, making you more visible and potentially leading to paid gigs. Businesses often need fresh, appealing images for their listings, and they'll pay for top-notch work. Another great way to make money is by offering business listing services. Many small businesses either don't have the time or the know-how to get their business listed properly on Google Maps. That's where you come in. For a fee, you can help them claim their Google My Business listing, optimize their profile, and make sure all the information is accurate and up to date. This service is invaluable to local businesses trying to stand out online. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. This one's a bit more advanced, but stay with me. You can create a blog or a website featuring local attractions, businesses, or travel tips and integrate Google Maps into your posts. Then, include affiliate links to related products or services. For example, if you're writing about the best pizza places in town, you could include affiliate links to pizza making kits or local food delivery services. When visitors click on your links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Now, here's a fun one: virtual tours. Thanks to Google Street View, you can create virtual tours for businesses. This is especially useful for real estate agents, hotels, or any business that benefits from giving customers a sneak peek of their location. You can get certified as a Google Street View trusted photographer and start offering this service to local businesses. They get a cool virtual tour, and you get paid. Nice, right? Lastly, we have data collection. Companies and researchers often need geographic data, and you can use Google Maps to gather it. For example, mapping out all the bike paths in your city or the best dog parks. Platforms like TaskRabbit or Upwork have gigs where you can earn money by collecting and reporting this kind of data. It's a simple task that can pay quite well. Those are some awesome ways to make money online with Google Maps. From reviews and photography to business listings and virtual tours, there's a little something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who might be looking for new income opportunities. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for all the resources and tips we mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.